A closer look 1. 4. Listen and tick the correct box.
Unit 11. Page 51. A closer look 1. Activity 4. Listen and tick the correct box.
1. What will be next?
2. Do you think you can use it in bad weather?
3. How much fuel will these means of transport use?
4. Will pollution be much worse?
6. Practice these questions. Work out whether they have rising or falling intonation. Then listen and repeat.
Unit 11. Page 51. A closer look 1. Activity 6. Practice these questions. Work out whether they have rising or falling intonation. Then listen and repeat.
1. Have you ever heard of bullet trains?
2. Will you be a doctor in the future?
3. What would you like to drink?
4. Who do you think will